Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And one of the things that came up quite a lot in the last few weeks, I haven't had a lot of people complain about it in the last year or so, but recently with changes to Windows, one theme that came up is the diagnostics data that Windows 11 is sending out. And a lot of people say, well, I'm being spied on and so on. Well, if you want to see what's in there, remember that, first of all, you can go and check out your privacy and security. And here you can go into diagnostics and feedback. Make sure that you're not sending optional data. So, for example, if you don't want optional data, you turn off this slider, optional data. Mine is on because I have Insider Edge, and this machine is also was registered in an Insider Ring. In order to go there, you have no choice to have both on, but you can make sure that this one's off so that you have only the required diagnostics data. First of all, that means you only share the minimum. Yes, I agree with everybody, even though I really don't really care about the diagnostics data. Personally, I think it really is helpful in making Windows better. But I agree that there should be a choice of completely off, and that is a choice that should be here. One thing that you have to remember is that you can view the diagnostics data. Your data can be downloaded and viewed with the diagnostics data viewer. So you want to see what's in there, you have the ability to see all of it. So if it was that bad, people would have already complained a long time ago. It's really the required information that Microsoft just needs to see how Windows behaves on PCs, basically. And you can here delete the diagnostics data. When you go here and you click the delete button, this will remove all of the diagnostics data that is presently in the cloud in the Microsoft servers. So if you really want to remove everything, you can delete it. You can do that every day if you want, and constantly delete the diagnostics data and make sure that it's off the cloud. And when you go to your Microsoft account online through a browser, you can also view there the diagnostics data. It's not a secret, this is something that you can see, and that Microsoft will let you browse through whatever you want to do. And so it's all here in the privacy and security and diagnostics and feedback. And if you don't want to send too much data, just turn off that slider here that is optional diagnostics data. If you're not an insider, if you don't have insider rings of anything, you can turn this one off and just send the required. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.